Uploading A+ content to your Amazon listing is crucial to increasing your conversion rate. I'm Trish from the Trivium Group, and today I'm going to be showing you how exactly to upload A+ content to your Amazon listing. All right, so let's first start off with going into Seller Central and then hitting up Advertising and A+ Content Manager. Once you're in this page, you're going to want to toggle over to the top right corner and click on Start Creating A+ Content. So there are two types of A+ content, including Basic and Premium A+, which is basically encompassed by larger visuals as well as videos and other immersive content. We're just going to go over the standard Basic A+ today, so make sure to click on Create Basic A+ if you are not eligible for Premium A+ content. First off, you're going to want to think of a content name. I'll just be adding A+ content example as the title, and you can start adding in different modules, whether it's your standard company logo, a comparison chart featuring your area of different products, or the standard image and dark text overlay. We're going to go and try and see what the standard image header with text would look like. Here you can add headlines as well as visuals, as well as a body of text. So make sure to remember to conform to Amazon standards with the required image dimensions to make sure that no part of your image is cut out, whether it's the text overlay or any content within your image, and to make sure that it will appear as intended on your listing. So here you can actually go ahead and choose an image from within your creative assets, or you can upload straight from your computer as well. So I'm just going to be toggling over some images that I'm interested in adding and click on details. As you can see, you can find the required dimensions for each visual, and you can add your tags as well as alt text in this section. So this is crawlable opportunities that basically allows you to add the keywords that you want to prioritize ranking for. And it's a great way to improve your SEO, especially for your secondary keywords that are not already present within your listing title or your bullet points. This is a great place to add all of those relevant keywords to your product to allow you to index more favorably for them. So once you're happy with the alt text and the tags that you've added in, as well as the image, you can go ahead and click on Add. And it gives you a nice little preview of what the image would look like. And you're going to notice that some text overlays are cut out here at the bottom, which is not what you intend your image to look like, which is why it is very important to make sure that you are conforming to Amazon standards when it comes to the required dimensions of both videos as well as images. You can even get a preview of what it would look like for mobile users as well as desktop users alike. So make sure that you are using the right dimensions for each image. When you scroll further down, you can add another module, perhaps a standard comparison chart. As an example, you can feature your area of different products in this section by entering your ASINs. You can add a visual of each of these products, as well as distinguishing factors among them. And if you're interested in perhaps changing the positions of each module within your Premium A+ content, you can actually toggle on the arrows here at the top right to bump up a certain module on top of the other. So as you can see, we clicked on the arrow going up, which bumped it up at the top of the other module that we were originally seeing. And you can do vice versa. Next, you're going to want to hit up Apply ASINs. Once you're there, you can add in all the ASINs that you want featured on your A+ content. You can search for ASINs in this section, or you can do a bulk upload. Go ahead and click on Apply Content, and from there you can review and submit. And that concludes our SOP video for today. If you like this content, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Trivium Group, for more content like this.